Pangilinan, loyal na loyal. Say no, actor, when I'm in a relationship, nobody looks better to me than the person I'm with. I don't care how attractive someone is. My baby Belle is more attractive. Ay, bongga, sana all my Donnie. Haba ng hair ni Belle Mariano. At dagdag pa ng aktor in a relationship, gusto ko yung, I only want 3 things. Eyes that won't cry and lips that won't lie. And love that won't die. #loyal.